Welcome back to another episode of our thrifting road trip heading towards Disney. We still have a long time on the road ahead of us to get to Orlando, and we need a lot more money in our budget from the items that we're finding on this thrifting road trip. We have a big goal to get to Orlando and pay for a whole day at Disney for our kids, for a family vacation, so let's see if we can do it. Before heading out for the day, we are taking some pictures of the items we found so far. That way I can make some listings at some point on the trip. We had to call it. It's 10:30. So we got to pack up, put everything in the car. We were able to do like 32 items. So that's pretty great. 32 items in 45 minutes. We brought our packing supplies and a Dymo printer. That way, if things sell that we've listed while we're on vacation, we can ship it out. So pretty nifty. It's always been like a theory of ours to see if we can do it, and we're testing it out. And I think it'll work. Just takes a little bit of getting used to, just because it's not our usual setup. Now we're going to pack up everything, get it all in the car. I've got my work phone, all the listings, like pictures on here. So we are going to hit the road. I'll talk about the game plan. Right now we have to pack. We're making our way east towards Tallahassee. Yeah, we're already running out of room. We got to figure out what we can do to get more room. Oh, it's starting to rain. Okay, let's go. So we had a few hours to drive from Destin, Florida all the way to Tallahassee. So we didn't record much of what we found, but we did make a few stops along the way. We were just focused on getting to Tallahassee today and trying to find enough to pay for a hotel and gas and food along the way. Well, we made it to Tallahassee, and it's been a really heavy travel day, but we just bought a night at this hotel. It's a mystery hotel, and we're gonna go check it out and see what it's like on the inside and recoup. Good morning, Florida. It's not as nice. We are leaving Tallahassee today, on our way to Orlando, and our first stop of the day is this super thrift store right next door. We're gonna go see what's inside. All right, so that was a bust, but we're in luck. There's a Goodwill less than a quarter mile away. So we need to get to Orlando tonight, but we have to find enough money to pay for a few nights to stay in Orlando, plus all the gas and food just to get there. And then on top of that, we want to spend a day at Disney. So let's see what Tallahassee can do. I don't know this brand at all, but some key indicators is the fancy buttons, rivets, tag, saying that it's Italian denim. So this might be something. I'll look it up. Okay, now I'm in the women's section. Found some Judy Blues. They're the relaxed fit for $9. Now we're hitting up the local thrift store chain.
The cheese.
We did go to the Tallahassee bins and pulled 2 items from it, which were pretty nice. All right, this is our last stop in Tallahassee. We gotta make this count. Before we got to Taco Bell, we found a thrift store where we got some extra bonus items to add to our budget. So we are heading towards Orlando, but before we do that, we got to see what the profit is, because that will determine what type of hotel we can get in Orlando. Are we going to stay at a nice one, or are we going to stay at a not so nice one?
We organized it the best we could. It's looking full, but we could probably fit, I don't know, like 50 plus more pairs.
Yeah.
If we cram them.
Wherever we're staying in Orlando, I'm going to ship from Amazon an overhead cargo so we can maximize more storage on this trip. This trip I've been using Priceline, and the really cool thing is that you can choose the dates, like the location, the dates, what you need, but they have this thing called express deals where it like makes these hotels private, so you can't tell. They're like a mystery hotel option. So you don't know what hotel you're going to be getting, but they give you a really good price. We're currently at $840. We're up $840.
We're almost there.
We're almost there, but we're about to drop some money on a hotel room. So I think what I want to do is I want to splurge on hopefully our last hotel of this trip.
If it was just a work trip, then we would just get the cheapest place and do it that way.
Save the money.
Or if it was just about money, we would just stay home. But it's about having a good time, good vibes in Florida, hanging out with our family.
So the room's going to be $542, which is going to bring us down to basically $300 up. And then we have gas and dinner for tonight. And then we also need to be buying a cargo space, that way we can hold more items. So I think after all of that, we're going to be like zeroed out. So if we're wanting to reach our goal for the end of this trip, then we'll have 2 full days of sourcing in Orlando. And it's basically like that's going to determine if we reach our goal or not, is what Orlando produces. And we've never thrifted in Orlando.
We have more stores to hit today, so don't count today out yet.
Oh, that's true. We do.
So
have
we got
some more on the way.
Some more stuff to get.
They're sprinkled. They're like salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to lock and load on this hotel. I hope I don't regret this. I hope it's a nice hotel. I hope it is. So let's go ahead and check out and see what hotel we won. The big reveal. We're staying at the Embassy Suites by Hilton. Nice. That looks nice. All right, we made it to Lake City. Let's see if we can get a little extra bonuses added to our budget. The super awesome thing about having my mother-in-law, we got our packages shipped out, so I'm able to actually turn our store back on from vacation mode. So hopefully we'll get more sales in while we're on vacation. So I'm excited about that. We have an official shipper.
Video.
527s. Last stop of the night, the last Goodwill. And then we're heading across the street to Wawa's to fill up with gas and see what food we have over there. We didn't find anything in the Goodwill, but we did meet people who knew us, which was awesome. So we got to say hi and have conversations just about thrifting and everything. So it's nice to be able to meet people who get what we do and everything. They understand what we're talking about. So it was really nice. Now we're going to make a 2.5 hour drive to our hotel for the night, and that's it for today. So we'll be arriving in Orlando in a couple of hours, and then we'll have 2 full days of sourcing to see if we're able to find enough profit to have a full day at Disney. Stay tuned for the next episode. First off, yeah!
I love this hotel the most.
This is the best hotel. We got our luggage ready to work right there, and it's one of those hotels where You can like look in and see everybody else. So it's pretty cool.